Hey everyone, so excited to be taking this class with you. My name is Steph Crespo and I am a PICU nurse. I have worked in pediatric critical care for the last little over 10 years now. I love it. It's definitely the place for me. I just recently, meaning this past semester, started working as a pediatric clinical instructor for UNCW and really enjoyed that, and we'll be doing that again in the fall. Um, very excited. We're made it to the end of the program here with the practicum. My plan is to work with a UNCW instructor and help to coordinate simulations and skill sessions for the nursing, pre-licensure nursing students cohort who have had reduced clinical hours due to COVID-19. There's been quite a bit of literature actually looking into hands-off models, such as like simulation and things like that, for making up clinical hours. The approach I'm hoping to take will be more hands-on skills but removed from the bedside, and seeing how that impacts nursing students' confidence, skills levels, etc. It's something that was definitely noted from teaching clinicals and working with the other faculty who teach pediatric clinicals as well, that the students for this past semester were not up to the same level as past years were at this point in their nursing program. So really excited to get into that and expand, I guess, outside of just pediatrics and into nursing education in general. I think I'd love to continue to do clinicals. Working as a PICU nurse educator is also something that's very intriguing to me as well. I've worked general pediatric ICU, pediatric cardiac ICU. I've done pediatric critical care transport, where I've done fixed wing, rotor wing, and ambulance transportations intra-facility. And I've also worked abroad for a little over a year, teaching pediatric and neonatal, like basic nursing cares. I worked over in East Africa in a country called Rwanda, and it was there that I really found my calling to be a nurse educator. I wore quite a few hats there. Mainly, it was me learning about the culture and everything that goes into being a nurse in Rwanda. But I hope I imparted some things as well, as far as teaching basic pediatric and neonatal skills, as well as ways to think through certain diagnoses in those populations. And I'm really looking forward to seeing how this practicum will play out and what opportunities I'll be able to get done. So thank you.